Welcome to this lecture, Class Methods. This brings us to class methods. Class methods differ from instance methods in that they are bound to the class itself and not the instance. As such, they don't have access to instance attributes. Additionally, they can be called through the class itself and don't require the creation of an instance of the class. Regarding instance methods, we saw that the first parameter is always an instance. In case of class methods, the first parameter is always the class itself, as we shall see in our examples. One common use case for class methods is when you are making factory methods. A factory method is one that returns objects. They can be used for returning objects of different type or with different attributes. Let's add a class method called with incognito to our web browser class that initializes a web browser object in incognito mode. Let's see an example of class methods. Start a class web browser, define class web browser, constructor of class, def double underscore init, self keyword, page attribute, column, self.history attribute, initialize the page, list of pages which we have already. Self.history assign the list of pages we have already visited. Self.current underscore page is equal to page. This is self.is underscore incognito set to false. This attribute prevent the store history of web pages. Define navigate method. Define navigate self new page self.current page is equal to new page. If not self dot is incognito, it means self dot is set to. This if statement means that is underscore incognito set to true. Self dot history dot append new page. Every page we are visiting append in the history attribute. Define method clear history. Define clear underscore history self dot history colon up to -1 is equal to empty list. It clear the history list. The keyword @ class method tells Python to add the method below it as a class method. @ class method. Define with underscore incognito method of CLS comma page. CLS refers to the web browser class as page is, and page is our attribute. The CLS argument refers to our web browser class in this context. Instance CLS of page, instance dot is incognito is equal to true, instance dot history is equal to empty list. Return instance and web browser class texting our factory method. Print web browser dot with underscore incognito method. Bound method web browser dot with incognito of class main dot web browser. It means class method with underscore incognito is bound to web browser class, not to the instance. Take an instance Chrome of class web browser and call the function with underscore incognito and pass the web page shady-website.com. Check incognito mode. Print Chrome dot is underscore incognito attributes. Check history list after calling class method with underscore incognito method. Run the cell. True. It's mean this statement's result true is underscore incognito variable set to true and Chrome.history and history method clear the and this statement will because this method with underscore incognito clear the history attribute. Print out the current page of our instance to check whether it was set. Yes, our current page is set to shady-website.com. Confirm that the history was not tracked. Yes, history list is empty, its means history was not tracked. Additionally, you can call class methods through instance for the same effect. We have an instance of class web browser and pass football.com, a web page, Netscape opera.with_incognito secret.net. Access the current page and check the incognito mode of browser Netscape dot is_incognito attribute. Run the cell. Secret.net is current page and is incognito mode is equal to true. See you in the next lecture.